Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In figure, if AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF, also EA perpendicular to AB. If angle BEF equal to 55 degree, find the values of X, Y and Z. So here is given the figure. This is line AB, this is line CD, this is line EF. This AB parallel to CD. And again this CD parallel to EF. Then what is about this AB and EF? They are also parallel. Let us write it. We have AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. Then AB parallel to EF. The question is angle BEF equal to 55 degree. Find the values of X, Y and Z. So, let us find out it one by one. Now you see the figure. This line AB and EF are parallel. And here it is given EA perpendicular to AB. This is EA. It is perpendicular to AB. If it is perpendicular to AB, this EA is perpendicular to EF also because these two lines are parallel. So, not only this angle A, but also this angle E also 90 degree. So, let us write it. EA perpendicular to AB, therefore angle CEF, that is this angle CEF equal to 90 degree. Now you can see in the figure CEF is the sum of Z and 55 degree. That is, this 90 degree is the sum of Z and 55 degree. So let us write it. Z plus 55 degree equal to 90 degree. Z equal to 90 degree minus 55 degree. That is Z equal to 35 degree. So now we got the value of Z. It is 35 degree. Now we consider the figure again. This line CD and line EF are parallel lines. Then what is about these angles Y and 55 degree? We know they are interior angles on the same side. And we know if the lines are parallel, interior angles on the same side is supplementary. That means their sum equal to 180 degree. So let us write we have CD parallel to EF. Therefore, Y plus 55 degree equal to 180 degree. Interior angles on the same side. Y equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree. That is Y equal to 125 degree. So we got the value of Y also. Now you see the figure again. The lines AB and CD. This BD is the transversal. Then what is about this angle X and angle Y? Which type of angles are these? These two are corresponding angles, and we have studied if the lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are equal. So this angle X and angle Y are equal. So let us write, we have AB parallel to CD. Therefore, angle X equal to angle Y, corresponding angles. Here we know what is the value of Y. It is 125 degree. Therefore, angle X equal to 125 degree. So we got the values of X, Y and Z. X equal to 125 degree, Y equal to 125 degree, Z equal to 35 degree. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.